Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Spotify app not working or not playing songs on Android phone. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you have open your Spotify and want to play songs and songs not playing or not working your Spotify app properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to open your settings and you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. If not connected, then guys you need to connect with Wi-Fi. And if you are using mobile data, then you need to turn on your mobile data. And after doing this, you need to go back and scroll it down, click on app management, click on app list, and here you need to find Spotify. So simply you need to search here Spotify app and you need to click on storage and cache, and simply you need to clear cache of this app. And after doing this, you need to go back and you need to open your Play Store here, and here you need to search Spotify and you need to update your app if not updated. As you can see here, simply you need to click on update. And after doing this, you need to go back, you need to open your settings again and click on system, click on here is the option of reset phone, and you need to click on reset Wi-Fi settings. Simply you need to reset your Wi-Fi settings. And if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to select sim in which you are using mobile data, and after doing this you need to reset your settings, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.